Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're having a look at the Natural Ergonomic Keyboard Elite from Microsoft. It looks Model M-ish. A lot of us have used these back in the past. The whole idea was that you're supposed to write on an angle. Not exactly like this. Tests have been done, and generally it turns out that that theory is invalid. But the theory that these do tick off 99% of people who use it is absolutely correct. There's some people who just can't stand these things. Some people who couldn't live without it. I can't live without it. Love these things, man. I've used them for so long. This one was from my old school computer guy. It's hard to find these things, and if you do find them, especially new, they can go for quite a bit, like 100 each, I think. Anyways, I want to see what's on the inside of this sucker. So let's do a teardown. Going to be cutting away, but right now I'm just going to take care of all those Phillips head screws. Alright, got them all unscrewed. Let's lift this up. Okay, I've taken apart one of the more modern boards, but I've not taken apart one of these. And it looks like the exact same, just like the one I was dealing with before. I dropped a little yogurt just under here, and it crossed some wires here, and the thing would never work again. Interesting how those LED lights were just plunked in there, plunked into the circuit board. Oh, I can still smell, it still smells like my old computer guy's cleaning room, Joe Halburn. You always know when your computer was back. You could smell it as soon as you walked into the solarium at my house. It smelled like a chain smoker's place. Oh, wow, check this out. That is stacked. Oh, I'm in love. Look how they did those buttons. My God, I wonder. Yes! Yes! Oh, this is beautiful. This is... I love how elegant this is. Oh, I remember that clip. They don't just fall out. They're actually attached. They're clipped right in. They're all clipped in there. That's freaking beautiful. We got the membrane though, so I guess these don't count as being mechanical, right? But still, that is so cool. That is so cool. Oh, I'm so pumped up, and it doesn't take too much to get into it either. Man, that would be simple to manufacture. I don't have anything that simple these days. Let's take a look at the main board. CP5748AM. Perfect. Oh, I love when they put terminals on this stuff. Yeah. I guess. Oh, there's no latch. There's not. Oh, wait. Yes, there is. Right here. Whatevs. This thing's broken, anyways. Oh, nice. It didn't break. Yeah, this thing doesn't work, by the way. This thing does not work. It was left in the shed when he had passed away. You always know when you're getting older, your heroes die before you do. Anyways, that is interesting. Okay, about this, the teardown, what I liked is how easy it was. There's no clips, just Phillips head screws. You guys remember back in the day? You guys remember that beautiful time back in the day? Ah, these numbers. Oh, I like that. Oh, it just turns me on. That's what I'm talking about. And then the LEDs. These things were getting fed power. These things were getting fed power through, where'd I put it now? Through the circuit board. This circuit board was sending LED power. Of course, yes, you know it can. I should know that. Should appreciate that. But look at how freaking thin that is. They're sending enough electricity through there for an LED, which admittedly isn't a lot. It isn't a lot of energy, but still, man, that's so cool. I love technology. That is awesome. I can't get over that. I wouldn't expect, well, maybe with the price, these things are pretty expensive. Maybe, you know, this is probably like a minimal thing, and it's like I'm getting excited about nothing, but I don't care. Y'all can say whatever you want. This is awesome. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Always appreciated. And ladies and gentlemen, take care of each other. Catch you later.